Bonjour, guten Tag, mahaba, namaste, buongiorno, hello and zdravstvuyte. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. Some time ago, I was listening to a YouTube lecture on the relationship between Saturn and the Moon. It inspired me to analyze this topic in depth, and I will share my conclusions with you right in this video. So let's start the rock and roll. The lecture I told you about at the very beginning of this video is David Icke, and it is a long lecture about the relationship of Saturn and the Moon and their impact on our earthly life, followed then by his theory why it happens and how some aliens intelligence controls our minds. The whole story lasts 54 minutes, and I think at least half of it is worth watching because it contains some interesting observations that have nothing to do with aliens or reptilians. But if you like the conspiracy theories, feel free to watch it until the end. So this is David, and he looks like here. He's still alive, I think, this black and white, I don't know why is there. And the link for his video you'll find down below. David tells stories that I don't quite agree with, but his conspirational views inspired me to analyze the Saturn-Moon pair, and I did it as follows. I decided to analyze the most important aspects of Saturn with the Moon, I mean the conjunction, squares, trines, and oppositions in a very short period of time in such a way that in Astrolog, the software, you might know it, I recorded the aspect start time, the exact aspect time, as well as the end of each aspect on M5 chart, 5 minutes chart, with an accuracy of up to 1 minute. And I entered all this data into the table. And the table looks like this. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dates and start of the aspect, exact time when it happened, up to the angular minute, and the end of the aspect, the last moment when it finished. It was something like, I think it was 3-degree orb. So the difference between this exact aspect time and start is 3-degree, and here as well is 3-degree. As you know, the Moon moves pretty fast, so it's not big difference as you see. It's 6 hours or 7 hours, the difference between the aspects and the beginning or the finishing. So altogether it takes, as you see, about 10 to 11 hours. So I did like that in Astrolog. Let me show you. This is the example I got Wednesday, April 22nd. And the Moon is just getting into the square very easily. You can see here is 28 Aries is Moon. Saturn is 1 Aquarius. So Moon has got another 3-degree to reach there. So the time of entry is right here when it starts this first line, which is 5:57 p.m. I did 5:35. Why did I do that? Okay, we can change it to 5:57. Good. 57. All right. Was it good? Yes, it was. No, it's 22nd of April. 22nd of April. It was 35 exactly. Sorry about that. So it's okay. Here was 5:57 p.m. 24th April. 22nd April. Then I forwarded 5 or 6 hours ahead, and it showed me exactly when it happened, 1:41, which is just a minute. The time is 11:57 p.m. April 22nd. 11:57 is 11:59. 2 minutes doesn't matter because on M5 I would take the candle at 23:55 55. So last candle of the day it will be. And the end of the aspect is, let me show you, it's finishing nearly, and we've got it somewhere here. Let me show you when it comes. I press it. So this is the last moment, 6:01 a.m. 23rd of April. So that's how I did all of them, and I don't want to get you bored with showing you how to do that. The most important thing is the results. So I marked all these dates on the 5-minute chart, thus obtaining time frames or time sectors on the chart, time spans that look quite encouraging, especially if you're trading on short-term time frames. In my analysis, I omitted the aspect. There was one aspect, I think, over the weekend, so Saturday or Sunday, just to not get confused. So between 15th April and 6th May, I just found these 5 aspects with verticals over here. So we got 15 lines on the chart, and they look like that. So the first one, this is the beginning, this is the middle of the aspect, and the end. And same story was 15th. Look how it looks like. It's encouraging. Just pretty long downtrend from the start to the end. So it's nearly 110 to 1850, 150 pips, quite long. So this is exact moment when this aspect happened. Next one is somewhere is 22nd. Here we go. Where's 21st, 22nd? Come on. Oh, here we go. It looks like that. So that's the beginning. That's exactly when it happened. And this difference for M5 is pretty big. Is from here to here is, it's 15 pips. So it's not that bad. It's nothing major, especially that it happened during the night. It started at 17:55 p.m. my time, so basically the New York session is over, London session is over, and next one, it was on, I think, 30th of April, which is here. Look, it looks like that. Exactly on the top here, then the market went down, came back in the moment, 30th of April, 2020, 5:25 was exact. 30th of April, 5:26, so it's been marked as 5:25. Just when it happened, the market started falling. And at the end, we can see that the market made a local bottom. It's just 10-15 pips over here. And we got one more to go, which is over here. And you can see here's the beginning of the aspect, which was it was a square over here. It's just when the aspect happened over here, the bottom here, and when it ended, we got the top over here, and the market started falling. Well, while David's crazy and twisted theory may seem, whatever it could be, the Saturn-Moon aspects seem quite interesting for further analysis, in my opinion. Well, I also encourage you to analyze other aspects, for example, the pair of Saturn and Mars. If you spend some time on it, the obtaining results will exceed your wildest expectation, my friend. So do your homework. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and bye-bye.